Hello, I'm Aasish, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Auckland, New Zealand. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon CloudWatch Logs Insights queries to analyze Amazon Virtual Private Cloud flow logs. Let's get started. When you activate VPC flow logs and send the logs to CloudWatch Logs, you'll see one log stream for each elastic network interface in your VPC. If you experience any network issues, then you can use CloudWatch Logs Insights to query the logs and identify potential causes. First, let's open the CloudWatch console. In the left navigation pane, choose Log Groups. Find the log group that contains your VPC flow logs and select it. Now choose View in Logs Insights to open CloudWatch Logs Insights with a query editor. Before you run the query, you can select a time period. We'll now remove the pre-populated query and run some example queries. In the first example scenario, you receive a timeout or HTTP 503 error and want to find rejected connections between your web, app, and database servers. This query filters for reject actions between the specified IP addresses, groups the results by IP address, port, and protocol, sorts the record in descending order, and limits the output to 5 records. I've also limited the filter to include traffic in private networks 10.x.x.x and 192.168.x.x only. After you have run your query, you can view the results here. To export the results, choose your format in the Export Results dropdown. Now let's move on to our next scenario. You experience intermittent timeouts on a network interface and want to check for rejected connections over time. This queries the logs for a specific network interface ID and reject actions, and sorts them by timestamp. And again, I'm limiting the results to 5. As you can see, there are some reject traffics. In the next example scenario, you want to analyze traffic to common ports such as 80, 443, 22, and 25 on a specific network interface. This query counts traffic by destination port and IP address, filters for the specific interface, and shows the top 10 results. And finally, in the last example scenario, you want to list source IP addresses that are trying to connect to a specific destination IP address or CIDR range. There are 2 example queries here for this scenario. You can either filter for specific IP addresses or CIDR range. We can also use the AI query generator that can help you generate a query based on this prompt. Choose Query Generator and enter the prompt in the text box. For example, filter all traffic by source IP 10.0.0.4 and the destination port 443. Now when I choose Generate New Query, it will generate the query for me. And as you can see, I'm getting the results for the prompt. Now I'll run the query to validate the results. And here are the results from the query. So now you know how to use Amazon CloudWatch Logs Insights queries to analyze VPC flow logs. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.